What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another throwback video, man. We got some good news, man. We are all set to get ready to buy and sell cars. So all we gotta do is start registering. So you guys are about to see a lot more videos coming from me, new content coming soon. But let's go ahead and get into this video. This is a 2011 Ford Taurus. Very nice car. I paid $2,900 for this bad boy, so almost $3 grand. I think I paid like 29 and some change, but I honestly think I oversold this car, guys. When I tell you guys what I sold this car for, you guys probably gonna be be like, man, this guy's crazy. But I bought it for 29, and I sold it for 4,000. I didn't sell it for 45 or anything, man. It had 133,000 miles. I do think I undersold this car, man. These Tauruses, man, this is the last one as well, the last body style that they came out with. So I felt some type of way, but I did make my money in like 2 days. So you gotta look at it sometimes. I don't know, I made money fast, but I do feel like I could have got way more money with the car having 133,000 miles on it. And what's crazy was another dealer bought it from me. So I know that he was probably going to either finance it or resell it, to someone he knew, or, he probably had, better clientele or whatever. So I sold it to him for $4 grand. I made my money fast, but at the end of the day, I do feel like I undersold this car. You guys let me know what you guys think. You guys think I undersold the car? Cause I think I did. The interior was pretty decent and everything, and I didn't know the code to the door or anything like that, but the interior was decent, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? It was just all around good little car. It needed some tires, as you can see, but man, I think I undersold this car. I can't express that enough, man, because I just do. You know what I'm saying? It was a 3.5 liter. I actually drove this car, for like the 2 days that I did have it. You know what I mean? I did drive it, like I was driving it, you know what I mean? So I actually like the way the car drive too, so maybe that's it. But you guys let me know. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, guys. As you see, this bad boy was clean, man. Like I say, a lot more content coming to you guys very soon. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. Peace.